We are delighted to bring you one of the most superbly renovated and extended single level homes you are ever going to find in Dalkeith. Here we are on Davies Road. Let's go and have a look through.
You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say.
In a house that offers so much, this room is a space that you're going to love year round. Superbly renovated, deluxe kitchen, spectacular cabinetry, double glazed windows, gas log fire, all focused and looking around that resort style pool. It is an amazing room that is so functional, your family's going to love it.
And through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're always well, and you light me up.
The bedroom configuration of the home is really versatile. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in the main house, plus a study or 4th bedroom, flowing through from a guest bedroom at the front to the main bedroom at the rear, overlooking the pool.
I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through. And you know that's what all love can do. I am in this crazy life.
Here we are in the studio granny flat at the rear of the property, completely self-contained, completely independent, kitchen, lounge, dining, it's all here, beautifully connected to the garden, absolute versatility. So there we have it, a fantastic opportunity here in the heart of Dalkeith, a stone's throw from the golf course, lifestyle at its absolute best. We cannot wait to show you through.